Fractions multiplication. So fraction multiplication is one of the easier problems to do. Now, when you multiply a fraction of a whole number, well, when you multiply a whole number by a fraction, what you can think of as the whole number as a is going to be the same as saying a over 1 to make it into a fraction. So, for example, let's say we have 8. This is the same as saying 8 over 1, because when you take 8 and divide it by 1, it's still 8. So that's what we're going to do with our first set of problems. Now, 1, we can rewrite that as 1 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 6. And the way we do this multiplication is we just multiply straight across. So 1 times 1 is going to be 1. 1 times 6 is going to be 6. So our final answer is 1/6. Now, 9 times 7/10, we can rewrite our 9 as 9 over 1 and multiply that by 7/10. Now, when we multiply across, 9 times 7 is going to be 63. And our denominator is going to be 1 times 10 is 10. Now, 7 times 4/8, we rewrite 7 as 7 over 1. We multiply by 4/8. Now, 7 times 4 is going to be 28. And our denominator is going to be 8. 1/2 of 2. This is the same as saying 1/2 multiplied by 2, which again is the same as saying 1/2 times 2 over 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So it's just 2 over 2. And this is obviously 1. So we know that 1/2 of 2 is 1. So that's how we know our answers are right. When they're two fractions, it's the same thing. It's even a bit easier, I guess, because you don't have to change the 8 to 8 over 1. So we just multiply straight across again. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. 8 times 12 is going to be 96. And that's our answer. This reduces, obviously, but that doesn't matter. When we multiply across for the second problem, 1 times 4 is going to be 4. And then 2 times 5 is going to be 10. So that's our final answer. Now, 2 over 4 times 7 over 8. 2 times 7 is 14. 4 times 8 is 32. Again here, multiply across. 2 times 7 is going to be 14. 7 times 9 is going to be 63. That's our answer. Multiply across. 6 times 2 is 12. And then 12 times 10 is 120. And this just becomes 1 over 10. 1/16 times 7/21. Multiply across. 7 times 1 is 7. Over 16 times 21. That's going to be 336. 8 multiply across. 8 times 1 is 8. Over 9 times 2 is 18. Multiply across here again. 11 times 4 is 44. Over 20 times 14 is 280. That's our final answer. That's multiplication of fractions.